All right, today is June 11, 2026. This is the meeting of the Kubernetes Storage Special Interest Group. As a reminder, this meeting is public, recorded, and posted on YouTube. If you have anything to discuss, please feel free to add to the agenda. You can find the invite in your calendar. You can find the agenda in your calendar invite. Today, we're going to go over the 137 items that the SIG is committed to. In terms of reminders, we just passed the production readiness freeze. The next upcoming deadline is the enhancement freeze on the 16th of June. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to our planning spreadsheet and we'll get updates on the current active items. First up, we have CSI volume health. Any updates on this one?
Yeah, I have the PRR approved for the alpha. I have the cap out for review, and Jan has reviewed it. I need Michelle to take a look, and yeah, the API needs to be reviewed basically. I have the CSI spec change also, the PR open for review. It was reviewed by Niels from Ceph team, and then I don't know, some like yeah, more reviews. But Ben also promised to review, so I'm waiting for that. So yeah.
Cool. Thank you for that update, Hamad. This one is on track. Next, we have volume group snapshot, RD and GA, tracking remaining work, including sidecars. Last status, sidecar was released, working on updating the client. Any other updates here?
Client is also updated and released. I think this is just the E2E test. We need to update that to use the new API, the new sidecar. So that one is still pending.
Perfect. Cool. Thank you, Shing. Next, we have CSI sidecar all-in-one alpha for this cycle. Last update, we were waiting for the repos to be created. Any update on repo creation?
Yeah, I saw someone has handled the issue of repo creating, and we have also did some preparation, and what we can publish our first release once the repo created. Yeah.
Cool. Sounds like it is heading in the right direction. Thank you for that update, Yingxi. Next item we're gonna skip over. Next we have Cozy overall move to V1 Alpha 2. Any updates on this?
It's still same as working in progress, so working on implementation.
Okay. Next we have integrate CSI volume limits with autoscaler staying in alpha for this cycle.
Sorry, it's supposed to go beta actually.
Oh, is it beta? Okay, let me go ahead and fix that.
Yeah, so the CAP is out for review. The PRR has been approved, and it should be pinged auto scaling people, and yeah, basically it requires no API changes at this point. It's just a matter of tweaking some of the stuff, and it should be ready to go.
Cool. Thank you, Amanth. Next, we have remove git repo entry code feature flag. Oh, this is annoying. My window keeps popping up. Sorry. All right, here we go. Remove git repo entry plugin. This is a feature flag enabled by default, GA in 137. Any updates on this one?
Yeah, so there is a CAPIA out. It's just a pretty small change, basically update the milestones. But I think that I added a comment. I think milestone should be latest milestone should be 1.37.
Cool.
Yeah.
So KEP is out. What's the next steps here?
I just need to address my comment, then we can get that merged. Then we're done because there's no code changes.
Got it. Okay, almost there. Thank you for the update on that, Ching. Next, we have SE Linux relabeling using mount options, moving SE Linux mount to GA in 137. Last status update was KEP update PR submitted. Anything new?
Oh, it's being merged. I got PRR and I got LGTM.
So PR merged. Any remaining work here?
Oh, well, I need to flip the feature gates and do the actual work, but PRR merged,
All PR merged. Got it.
not PR. So, yeah.
Cool. Got it. Thank you, Jan. Next, we have snapshot topology. Last
right.
status was
Yep.
review in progress. Go ahead.
Yep. So we have a PRR reviewer now assigned to the CAP. I also saw that yesterday. There were some comments left on it, so I will be working on addressing us today. And then I put out a related PR on the CSI spec repo.
Cool. Thank you, Raphael.
Yep.
Next, we have volume group replication design for this cycle. Any progress on this one?
I think they say they will submit a cap later. So I think they're still trying to figure out something. There's some discussion in the data protection working group yesterday. They're talking about replicate to a basically different topology, how that would work.
Got it. Okay. Cool. Thank you for that update, Shing. Next, we have report when PVC was last used. Any updates on this one? Last status was not sure if anybody's working on this.
I thought someone is working on this one, Herman. The PVC
Yeah,
last.
yeah. Sorry, Roman is working on it. The cap is out for review, and you can actually change the assignee that have little Roman,
Perfect.
and yeah. So the cap is out for review, and I think the PRR get approved. Yeah, the PRR needs to be approved, but it met the milestone, so we're good.
Perfect. Cool. Thank you for that update. Next is CSI capacity tracking enhancement design for this cycle. Anything new on this one?
So I started to review it, added some comments there.
Awesome. Thank you, Shing. Next, we have CSI controller get node info also in design for this cycle. Anything new here?
Yep. So Ben requested some changes in the design, and we have now been able to reach alignment. One of the CAP authors disagrees with the requested changes, so we still need to arrive at a conclusion.
I remember you had several meetings, right? And you still not make alignments. Still have some disagreements, right?
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
So I'm really not sure at this point how we're going to align on this. I think Ben has explained very clearly why introducing this RPC is not the best solution, and yeah.
I got it. I will talk to Vivian later. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Eddie. Thank you, Yingqi. Next, we have storage capacity scoring, how to sort, targeting beta for 137. Last status was PRs were submitted. Anything new here? Okay, I'm going to mark this one as no update, and then we'll keep moving. Next status is
Oh, sorry, I was talking mute.
Oh, yeah, no worries.
Yeah. So so PR review is ongoing. There are some comments there. There's also a E2E test out. So I reviewed it. It looks fine to me, but I think we also need something from SIG scheduling to take a look.
Cool. Thank you for that update, Xing. Next, we have co-owned with Signode dynamic resize of memory-backed volumes alpha for this cycle. Anything new on this one? Last status was kept under review.
I think that's already merged.
Kept merged. Awesome. Thank you for the update on that, Xing. Next, we have add user fields to atomic write volumes alpha for this cycle.
Hi, yes, I am addressing the PLR comments, trying to make it into the enhancement freeze.
Cool. Thank you, Gavin.
Thank you.
Next, we have CSI volume reconstruction fallback. This is alpha for the cycle.
I made some comments there, and the author didn't reply and missed the PRR deadline, so it's very likely to slip.
I think that PR deadline basically meaning you have that ready for review. It's not like a PRR approval deadline.
Yeah, sure, but did they ask for PRR?
Oh, you're saying they didn't even have the section PR?
I think
Then
so.
that will be the problem. Yeah, they need to have a.
Yeah, they don't have it.
Okay, but they okay. Then
And
problem. Okay.
it needs a better design.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna cross this out for tracking for this cycle, and then we can come back to it for the next one. Next we have empty dir volume sticky bit support alpha for this cycle. Last status was PR was submitted targeting alpha in 137. Anything new here?
It is being reviewed.
Under review.
It got a couple of PRR questions, and there are some design questions, but it could be merged.
Okay, and then finally we have coned with Signode, mount option support on empty dir, alpha for this cycle.
That's on review.
Awesome. Thank you for that update, Jan, and thanks everyone for the updates. Switching back to our
So before we
sorry.
move out there,
Yep.
so I see that Michelle's there. I think Michelle, there are a few enhancements that need API reviews.
Okay.
So
If she-
well, yeah.
I know of Hamonts. Is there any
Yeah.
other ones?
Yeah, there are other ones. For snapshot topology, I think you did a first round of review. I added a few comments. I also there's one question for you.
Okay.
Yep, I also addressed your latest comments, Michelle, from the last review that you did.
Okay, sounds good. I will take a look at them.
Thank you.
And I was just trying to see if there's other ones. That is targeting. I think the next one's not targeting, so I think we'll.
I just approved the user fields to atomic writer volumes, row 19.
Maybe I'm gonna add a. Thank you, Michelle.
Okay, so I think Michelle, if there's follow-up reviews for you, we'll take care of that offline. Any other questions or comments on this? Okay, switching back to the agenda. Anybody have any PRs or designs that they want to discuss today? Going once, going twice. Okay, no updates for PRs or designs this time. Finally, update from my end. So I've been working with the SIG for I think 10 plus years. It's been an amazing, amazing time. But I think it's time for me to step down and make space for new leaders. I have not been able to be as deeply involved as I had hoped recently, and so I want to make sure we have people that are really engaged. I've been speaking with Xing, Jan, Michelle offline about this, and they've been incredibly supportive in helping try to find a new leader to step in to take the role. We spoke offline with Hemant Kumar, and he has graciously accepted to step into the role as co-chair. As you all know, Hemant has been working with the SIG for a very, very long time, is deeply involved, helping review different PRs, and kind of helping all over the place. So he'll be a very, very good fit for the role. I'm going to plan to send an email later today. We're going to go through a lazy consensus process. I expect no challenges there, but if anybody has any concerns, please feel free to reach out to us. And otherwise, please welcome Hemant into the new role.
Thank you, Saad. And it was indeed like a privilege to work with you for so many years, from the founding of SIG storage to CSI and all the bits that took us here. So yeah, it would be my honor to work on this capacity.
It has
Thank
been an amazing, amazing journey, and I'm glad we have folks like Hemant who are been involved with the community for so long and can step in this leadership capacity. And it is a big responsibility, so really appreciate it. Thank you, Hemant.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you, Saad. Thank you, Saad, for leading the SIG for 10 years. And thank Hemant for stepping up. Looking forward to work with you.
Yeah, likewise, Shing, Michelle, Jan, thank you for serving for so long. I know it takes a decent amount of effort, and it was just an amazing run. Thank you to everybody for all the hard work, and I feel honored to have been able to work with all of you and work in this SIG. So thank you for that opportunity. Any other questions, comments, concerns about this, or anything else on anyone's mind? All right. With that, then next meeting will probably be run by Xing, and then the one after that, hopefully by Hemant. We'll keep our fingers crossed, and it's probably the last one for me. So I'll sign off here. Thank you, everyone. All the best.
Thank you,
you.
Saad. Bye.
Thank you.